number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the Jeff Richard show.
Oh, complete disaster.
I can tell you, I don't know either. But listen,
yeah.
listen, you're also a psychic, right? You're a psychic. Tell me to what degree that
Dude.
Jamie, how you doing, buddy? Sure, the family.
It's either been a week or it's been.
Oh, here we go.
Make a funny face,
Right?
and I'm gonna hold it, and then you.
No.
Or do you?
Usually what happens is when I make oatmeal, right? I make
about your hair. I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is it?
I was about to say that I had wanted to give you props. That was a long time ago. You would
No, it's an,
remember
it is
that?
an honor.
I think that's why I'm now doing shows like this.
I can speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
You ready to?
boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.